Hi there, I'm Tim with AutoZone. Small windshield chips can happen from time to time, but you can fix them before they turn into an expensive crack. This will help you increase the value of your vehicle if you're planning on selling it soon. Here's how. First, get your windshield repair kit. I got mine from AutoZone. Also, you'll want to do this in the shade, 50 to 75 degrees, but the final curing step is fine to be in the sun. First, use the push pin in the kit to pick out any loose glass that might still be in the damaged area so that the resin can properly bond. Then, clean the chip and the surrounding area with an alcohol pad and let it dry completely. Now, take the round disc out and peel off one side of the adhesive pad. Center the whole of the pad over the center of the chip with the tab pointed towards the top of the windshield. Peel off the remaining paper and expose the adhesive. Place the pedestal down on top of the pad. Line up the tabs and press firmly on the pedestal to make sure that it sticks. Next, cut the tip off the tube of the resin and squeeze nearly all of the resin into the tube on the pedestal. Save a drop or two for later. Now, take the syringe and push the plunger all the way in. You're trying to minimize any air getting into the resin. Put the end of the syringe into the tube of the pedestal and pull the plunger up to the second notch, which is the notch closest to the bottom of the plunger, and lock it into place. Now, remove the syringe from the disc and unlock the plunger. Put the end of the syringe back into the pedestal and push the plunger down to the top notch and lock in place. Now we're almost done, just a few more steps here. Be sure to have paper towels ready for any resin spill. Remove the syringe and carefully use the razor to remove the pedestal from the disc. Now peel the disc off of the glass. Wipe any resin spill off with a damp cloth. Squeeze the remaining resin onto the chip and place the curing strip over the top. Press out any remaining air using the razor blade. Lastly, once dry, peel off the curing strip and carefully use the razor to scrape away any remaining resin. And that's it. You might still see evidence of the original damage, but what's important is that it's filled with resin to protect it from getting worse. This is a tricky job, so take your time and follow the instructions on the package carefully. Check out more helpful how-tos on our YouTube channel and be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.